Mahakumbh is a showcase of India's unparalleled faith, cultural and spiritual legacy. Mahakumbh comes after every 12 years and is linked with Samudra Manthan, in which Amrit and other 14 things were outcomes. Lord Dhanvantari, who was carrying Amrit Kund for Devtas, had a fight with Rakshasas. During the fight, 4 drops of Amrit fell down in different places of India, which is
Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain and Nashik. At these 4 places, Mahakumbh Mela is organized after an age gap of 12 years. At the place of Triveni Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers, Tirthraj Prayagraj Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is being organized. Let's know more about it. But before that, hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel Fun Time with Kaushik Sisters. I'm Bhavya.
I'm Shrija,
And together we are Bhavshri.
Mahakumbh 2025 is starting on 14th January on Makar Sankranti and will be continued till 26th February 2025. There will be 3 main snans, Shahi or Dev Snan. On 14th January Makar Sankranti, 29th January Moni Amavasya and 3rd February Vasanti Panchami. Besides that, there will be 6 Divya Snan Parv during the total time period. Mahakumbh is organized when Brihaspati enters Kumbh Rashi and Sun enters Mesh Rashi.
For Shahi Snan or Dev Snan, 13 Akhada will start Snan at 4 am on 14 Jan in a pre-decided sequence. Each Akhada will approach for Snan with their deity in form of flag and will take a Bhavya bath of gods and Bhakt together. Each Akhada will be led by their respective Naga Sadhu to take the holy dip and attain moksha.
Devotees and tourists from all over the world will take part in one of its kind, Mela or Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh is a legacy of divine festival of our faith, spirituality and culture. Government of Uttar Pradesh is diligently working to ensure a seamless experience with the help of 4 elements, which is information, cleanliness, communication and security.
Digital Kumbh Month will involve artificial intelligence, chat box and Google Map for safety and crowd maintenance. Bordering on 4,000 hectare Mela area on Sangam Bank have been embellished with QR codes of different colors like green for Kumbh administration, red for emergency service, blue for hotel and eateries and orange for achievements of UP government.
It has given utmost importance to safety and security of people visiting Sangam city, which are
more than 1 lakh of police security personnel development,
12 teams of NDRF,
150 members of SDRF to ensure safety,
12-kilometer net banking, 60 well-trained marine drivers,
1 floating traffic control station with dial 112 service,
oxygen cylinders and compressors,
bikes and robots to ensure fire safety. To maintain cleanliness during Mela days, eco-friendly equipments have been used along with the 1,50,000 toilets, appointment of 15,000 sanitation workers, service of 160 waste management vehicles, installation of 25,000 dustbins.
Entire Mela zone will be monitored with 2,600 CCTVs, 10 digital lost and found centers and installation of 100-kilometer underground power lines to ensure larger narrative of unity, cultural pride, cutting-edge infrastructure, eco-friendly practices and focus on spiritual tourism. The Prayagraj Mahakumbh 2025 is yet to be a milestone in showcasing India's heritage to the world.
Thank you. If you like a video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye everyone.